Hi, business owners. I often hear you say, my key person has left, but now, after working outside, he wants to come back. Should I hire him back? Yes or no? मैं क्या करूं? This is your business coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my talk series क्या करूं, specially recorded for you. Yeah, so some of you feel that once an employee leaves your organization, you should close your doors for that person for all times to come. Your logic? If you take them back, it actively encourages everyone to look out. Now, while this is not entirely wrong, it's not right either. You know, it does give a positive message to your current employees. When somebody returns to join you, they must think that when someone has come back, there is something good here and there is something not so good outside. This is a very much open discussion, a very common discussion. There are arguments both ways, but there are some considerations which I would like to bring up in this video. You know, one of the benefits of taking back your ex-employee, he will be familiar with your culture. He has experience with your systems and processes. And he also knows his team, his peers. So therefore, he will fit back quickly. The other advantage, he would have got some exposure while working in another environment. He would have learned a few new things, got some new perspectives, and can actually, when he returns, add value to your organization. Also, the fact that he is coming back and he will talk to his peers, he will talk to his team, he will surely advocate the good things about your organization. And he will indirectly contribute in improving retention among his peers or within his department. Not to say, he will save you money in hiring cost, he will save you money in induction cost, and also kind of ramp up for his performance. He will also be a lesser risk as you know him and he knows you. A new candidate who you judge only through an interview process, the risk is definitely higher. So there are a lot of positives in taking back an ex-employee. However, you must not pay him any more than what he would have got if he has stayed on with you. Now, this is a very important element. This is a very important message to everybody. An employee who goes out, comes back after a year. In a year, whatever raise he would have got if he had stayed with you, that's the kind of package I would say you should give him. And make sure that you do that. Do scrutinize within your own mind why you are taking him back. Is he really the best candidate among all options? Or are you exhibiting a kind of soft corner just because you know him or you feel little safer in taking him back? Is there someone in the organization who has been officially or unofficially elevated to take his role? In which case, what are you going to do with him? So do look at these things before you decide to take an ex-employee back. The other thing is, while the ex-employee is conversant, familiar with your organization, and after due consideration, if you do decide to take him back, please just don't take him back and leave him, because in his absence, a couple of things could have changed in your organization. Some of the team dynamics, team relationships may have altered during his absence, and he will have to surely adjust to the new pattern. So, Do pave the way for this ex-employee. Do plan a smaller induction for him. Don't just assume that he knows and therefore he can simply get himself reinserted in the team. So take these precautions. To summarize, there are a lot of benefits in hiring back your ex-employee, and I think you should be open to it, especially in today's environment where youngsters do keep looking out for opportunities. However, do not just assume an automatic comeback. Do take conscious and adequate actions to reinduct the ex-employee in a smooth fashion. Hope this Kya Karu talk would help you to think more rationally when you consider hiring back an ex-employee. Thank you very much.